Hello children, today I will continue the lesson development and the topic is how to compare different countries or the states. As each one of us in our life have different aspirations and different goals, so our notion for the development at the national level also varies from one person to another person. What may be development for me may not be for the other person. But usually when we compare the countries in the world, we take income as the major attribute, and as the population of all the countries is not the same, so it's better what we do, we take the average income of the countries to compare it. What first of all we will see what does it means. What is average income? It is the total income of the country divided by its population, and it is also called per capita income. This criteria is used in classifying countries by the World Bank in 2012. Now first come here, the countries with per capita income of US dollar 12,616 and above are called rich countries, and countries with per capita income of US dollar 1,035 or less are called low income countries. But India comes in the category of low middle income countries because its per capita income was 1,530 US dollar per annum. So these countries, on the basis of the income, they are classified into developed or underdeveloped or less developed countries. But when we compare these countries or the states, we don't take only the income, but we take other criteria to compare them. So what are these here? Data we have taken of 3 states, that is of Maharashtra, Kerala and Bihar. If we compare of these 3 states the per capita income, then we see the Maharashtra has the maximum per capita income, that is 1,07,670. But the Kerala has 88,527, followed by Bihar is 28,774. But other than the income, when we take other attributes, what are those? That the infant mortality rate per 1,000 live births in year 2012. So what is infant mortality rate means? The children who die before the age of 1 year as proportion to 1,000 live births in that particular year. And here you see, here what is that? The Kerala has the minimum, means less number of children die in Kerala, that is only 12, whereas in Maharashtra it is 25 and followed by Bihar it is 43. Means in Bihar more number of children die in as comparison to the Kerala where it is only 12. So we can say here infant mortality rate, then Kerala is the leading state, though the income was less than the Maharashtra. Next attribute is literacy rate in percentage, and year is 2011. Literacy rate means the proportion of the literate population, and that is age 7 and above. That is, you will find again Kerala is the leading state. The highest literate state in the country is the Kerala, where 94%, followed by Maharashtra 82, and Bihar again it's lagging behind, that is only 62%. Another attribute is net attendance ratio per 100 persons, that is in the secondary stage. It means the children, those are going between the age group of 14 to 15 years as proportion to the children going in that schools. The data is 2009 and 2010. Again here the Kerala is the leading state, where there's 78, followed by Maharashtra 64 and Kerala 35. So when we compare it, okay, we will find the Kerala is the state where the people, though they are having less population, but the literacy rate, the infant mortality rate, as well as in the net attendance ratio is better than Maharashtra, and the least one is the Bihar. And in Kerala, why the infant mortality is rate low? Because people are highly educated, as literacy is there. So once a person is literate, they know the value of healthy population. So people are taking proper care of their health as well as of their children and giving them proper education. That's why the infant mortality rate is very low in Kerala, but many of the state in our country in India, that they have introduced a system of PDS, that is public distribution system, so they are able to provide the food to the people so they can lead a healthy life. So on these parameters we can say that the Bihar is the lagging behind as comparison to Kerala. But how the India stands as comparison to the neighboring countries, I will continue in the next video. Till then, stay blessed and thank you.